So good morning sir, good morning everyone. Today is presentation day and my presentation topic is every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile and start again. We all face some difficult days in our life, like some days are good, some days are bad. Sometimes we feel demotivated, sometimes we lose hope. But does that mean we should give up on that particular thing? No. What's important is that we have a new day, a new chance, a new opportunity to grab it, to fetch it and work on it. So my topic is every day is a new beginning. Means that you have another chance to work on your failure, to work hard on a particular things you have. We all may face some days that are difficult, but there is an idiom which says that every cloud has a silver lining, which means that every difficult situation has some good on it, has some positive things on it. A failure does not mean it's an end. It's a chance. You are getting another chance to learn more and try to learn from your failure and do your best again. Let's take an example of a student who scored low marks. But now after he get a low marks, he feels disappointed. But now what can he do? He cannot change that result. But he can try again. He can give his best and also perform better in the next coming exam. Let's take another example of our daily routine. We all have planned many times that I'll wake up at 4 o'clock, I'll wake up at 5 o'clock, I'll go for a morning walk, do this, do that. But we slept late. Now, then when we get up at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., we think that we have already ruined our day. But do you think that is true? No, that's not true. You can just simply get up at that particular time and start your day. Start from that particular movement so that you will not waste your time. You have so many hours left to work on. Many of us think that I will do from next week, I will do from next day, I will do from next year. But why are you waiting for next? Why are you not doing your work from today? Why are you not doing from tomorrow? Why are you not doing from now only? A person who wants to learn English and he is waiting for next day to join a course, next week to join a course. Do you think he ever learn English? He speak with confidence? No, because he is waiting for the time, a perfect time. But there is no perfect time. You should utilize your time right now. Right now is a perfect time. There is no perfect time in the future. You will just waste your today and then you will waste your tomorrow also. There is a saying goes, steady and slow wins the race, which means that when you start right now, slowly you will get your success. A beginning does not mean that you will get your success instantly. It will come slowly when you work hard on it. Many of us have goals. Let me ask you a question. How many of you have set your goals? Many of you have set your goals, but are you preparing for it or not? You are preparing for it. But many of has set their goals, but they are not preparing for their goals. They are not doing work hard on it. And they are thinking that I'll do from the next day, the next month. I'll join this course, I'll join that course, then I'll do practice. But do you think it will possible? No. When you work from today, then you will get your success soon. Success is not like a hand, you will get it on your hand. No. You have to work for it. Even if you haven't even if you are not preparing for your success, for your goals, don't worry. You can start it from right now. You have so much time to start. Remember that every sunrise brings a new beginning, a new opportunity, and another chance to work on it. Don't let your failure ruin your today's efforts. Now let me wrap up my topic with a simple thought, which is don't let your failure ruin your today's effort, because you cannot change your yesterday, but you can make your tomorrow. Don't wait for your perfect time. You should start right now. You should work on it, and you will achieve it soon. Thank you. May I have any query, please? Yes, I am practicing. I every day practice for my course, for what I want to achieve. achieve. I am always preparing for questions, and I always speak and I will always try to speak confidently.
What is the perfect time to set a goal?
Right now. You should start from right now. If you have time to set your goals, if you are waiting for tomorrow, then you will not ever set your goals. You should start from right now. You should set your goals and start working on it.